So students, this is a question. Question number 4. ABC is triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. And the second one, AB equal to AC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay students, let's start with given part. BE and CF are altitudes of side AC and AB are equal. So BE and CF equal. Okay, so BE is a altitude of AC. So which will create 90 degree at that point E. And CF is the altitude of AB, so which will create 90 degree at that point F. Students, you know that very well. Altitude means perpendicular line. That's why it's creating 90 degree. Okay. And one more given part, BE equal to CF. So BE, that is altitude, and CF also altitude. That both altitudes are equal. Okay. That is from given. Now you have to prove triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF. Okay. Let me draw this triangle part separately. So triangle ABE means this upper part. So students, listen carefully. Let me draw that part ABE, triangle ABE. Okay. So just see that triangle ABE. Let me mention the name ABE. Okay. Then next triangle ACF. So now see this figure. ACF means this part. So let me draw the triangle ACF. Okay. So F and C. So let's mention all the given part in this triangle. We know that very well that angle E and angle F equal to 90 degrees. So let me mention that 90 degree. Then the altitudes are equal, which is from given. So you can mention BE equal to FC. Okay, because both altitudes are equal, which is from given. Now angle A and angle A common to both of these triangles, so it will be equal. So that's it students. Now let us write the steps one by one. Okay, let's start. BE equal to FC. Okay, step number 1, BE equal to FC. You can write any steps at first, no problem. Okay, you can mention angle first, that's not a problem. BE equal to FC, that is given. Okay, then angle E equal to angle F. Okay, just mention like that. Both 90 degree. So let me mention the reason, both 90 degree. Then angle A equal to angle A, because that is common to both of these triangles. So common. Okay. Now we can mention triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF. Okay. By the rule. What's the rule? You can mention that triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF. You have to mention the rule. So just to mention the rule here, side, angle, angle. So the rule is side, angle, angle. Students, you can mention any rule by using two angle and side. Like angle, angle, side, otherwise angle, side, angle. We need two angle and one side. That's it. Okay. So don't get confusion. Now let's start second proof. You have to prove AB equal to AC, which means the two sides of the triangle, right? So you have to prove that AB equal to AC. You know that very well. If two triangles are congruent, then you can say that their corresponding points are equal. So you can say AB equal to AC from this triangle. Is it? So you can say AB equal to AC by the rule CP/CT. So AB equal to AC by the rule CP/CT. CP/CT means corresponding parts are equal in congruent triangle. Okay. That's it students. Now see this figure, triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is the isosceles triangle. What's the rule of isosceles triangle? Two sides should be equal in isosceles triangle, right? Now let me draw that triangle ABC. Okay. Now listen carefully. In triangle ABC, we proved AC equal to AB. So if AC equal to AB means you can say that the triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. Okay, so in this triangle we proved AB equal to AC. So two sides are equal, you can say this is a isosceles triangle. That's it. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay students, is it clear? So if you understand this concept, that is very easy. Now let's see next question. And it's proved. Okay, now next question. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. Okay, let's start to write given. Okay, the given part AB equal to AC. Okay, so already they mentioned that isosceles triangle AB equal to AC, and BE altitude of AC and CF altitude of AB. So B altitude of AC means which will create 90 degree at the point E, and CF altitude of AB which means it will create that angle 90 degree at the point F. Now you have to prove BF equal to CF. Both are altitudes, so you have to prove that both altitudes are equal. Okay, now let's start our solution part. So students, now we are going to select triangle based on the side B, E and CF. So I am going to take the triangle ABE and ACF. So A, E, B, triangle number 1, and another triangle ACF. Okay, so just I am selecting triangle based on that proof. So we have to prove B equal to CF. So I am just selecting this two triangle A, BE and ACF. That's it. Okay, now we are going to prove these two triangles are congruent. So you know that very well, angle E equal to angle F, because altitude which will create 90 degree. So you can write angle E equal to angle F because both will create 90 degree. Okay, then angle A, that is common to both of these triangles, so just mention that angles are equal. Then what's that? Yes, AB equal to AC, which is from given. So just mention that AB equal to AC. That's it students, over. Now let's write steps one by one. Okay, now you have to prove BE equal to FC. If you prove these two triangles are congruent, then you can say that BE equal to FC. The proof will be over. Now let's write the steps one by one. Angle E equal to angle F because of the rule altitude, right? So solution part. Now let's write the steps properly. Okay, wait a second. And triangle ABE, otherwise AEB, and triangle AFC. Okay, angle E equal to angle F, both 90 degree. This is the reason. Angle F, the reason is both 90 degree. Then second step, okay, we can mention angle A equal to angle A because both are common. So angle A equal to angle A, common, that is the reason. Then next one, AB equal to AC, which is from given. Okay, so let me mention that AB equal to AC, given. So now we can say triangle AEB and triangle AFC are congruent. Is it? Therefore, triangle AEB congruent to triangle ABC AFC by the rule. What's the rule? Okay, angle, side. So by the rule AAS. Otherwise, you can mention ASA, otherwise SAA. Okay, that's your wish. That's not a problem. We need two angle and one side. That's it. You can choose your own order. Okay. Therefore, BE equal to FC by the rule CPCT. So corresponding parts are equal and congruent triangle. So BE equal to FC. That's it.